Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. And I'm going to share you one experience which happened with me, and I want your opinion in the comment section. What you feel about this? Okay, is ever the same thing happened to you in your life, and how did you handle it? Okay, what's your point of view? Okay, so what happened few days ago uh, in my near home, near to my home, looking in the roadside. I heard some noise, okay, from the roadside, and someone was quarreling with each other. Someone was shouting a very loud voice, and I was sitting in my bed. I was doing something. So as soon as I heard the voice, I came outside of my room and I went to the roadside directly, and I saw that one man was like shouting, was like arguing with a person who was a driver of a uh, car, okay, and they were carrying some water bottle, okay, with them, and the man was shouting a lot that it became the whole road became jam, okay. And later on I found that it was a mistake of the driver only, that the man who was shouting, he was walking on the road in a very narrow space. He was walking on his own way. It was not his mistake, okay. But the driver, he was abusing him, okay. He was abusing him because he was, I don't know why he was abusing, but I personally believe that okay, it was his mistake. But a quarrel happened nearly about 10 to 15 minutes, and the driver didn't say any word, but the man was shouting a lot, and everyone was just watching him. And later on found that the driver said sorry to him, okay, also said sorry to him, but still the person was shouting a lot, okay. It was yeah. So personally, I believe that if the driver said sorry, so you should let him go, na, from this place. So why you are making such scene? I mean to say, I also believe that it was mistake of the driver, okay. But it's okay. Like we are human being and we do mistake, okay. And every now and then we do mistake. But if someone is saying sorry to you, if he's realizing his mistake, you should let him go. You should give him the chance, okay, second chance. That okay, because we want peace. As a human being, we want peace, okay. And I believe I understood from my life that we really want peace in our life. So I believe that if someone is saying the same thing to you, you should give him the second chance and you should trust him, okay, if he is saying sorry to you. So this is what I understood and which is what I experienced, okay, from this incident. So if you also feel the same way, please try to comment, okay, in the comment section. And if you like this video, please like my video, then share it with friends, please, and subscribe to my channel. um, Thank you.